Hello everyone. So this one's just a short little video to keep you up to date with where I am, what's happening. I posted the Kent video, Route 1 Day 1, a couple of weeks ago, and since then, as you've probably already realised, I've flown to foreign climes. Yes, I'm back in Morocco. So despite having day 2 of that Kent ride ready on my computer, ready to post to YouTube, unfortunately the internet that I have in Morocco is not capable of uploading a 4K video. It just keeps breaking in the middle. I'll upload a bit and then the internet goes down and it just doesn't work. So you're going to have to wait for that one until I get home. And that's another couple of weeks away. But in the meantime, we get to make some videos from Morocco. I expect you've had enough of looking at me already. Let's show you some Morocco. So, if you've been a subscriber on my channel for some time, you'll already know that my in-laws are Moroccan. And I get to come over here quite a lot and spend quite a bit of time out here. It's very early in the morning now and the sun is behind that lovely lump of cloud over there, which is very unusual. I've been here a little while already and the mornings are just as hot as the afternoons. But I woke up this morning and saw that big lump of cloud and I thought, yeah, that'll do. So here we are. So as I say, I'm here for another couple of weeks. I'm hoping to get a few more rides in. Although, just as the last time I brought Trini here, the weather was hot then and it's hot now. And I'm just trying to ride when I can. But one of those rides coming up is going to be that long ago promised review of the tennis tyres. One or two of you noticed in my Kent video the other day that I've removed the tennis tyres and have been asking why I did that. Are they any good? So I'll give you a review on that whilst I'm in Morocco and post that in the next, I don't know, few days to a week. As I say, all depends on the weather. Good morning, cow. How are you? Hello, cow. How are you? So yeah, I'll do a review on the tennis tyres. I've been trying to think of some other things that I could talk about whilst I'm out here. Obviously, I can show you a little bit of Morocco, but it's always nice to have a yap as we're going along. I'm always bothered going past these farm buildings because you never know where there's dogs and where there isn't dogs, and all of a sudden they come running out at you. No, I don't think there's any at that one, thank goodness. Oh, look at that, some green. That's unusual. That looks like some sort of animal feed, like alfalfa or something like that. There's 4 dogs over there. I'm just wondering what they're going to do. I'm going to have to be very careful. I know I discussed dogs with you last time I was in Morocco, and most of the time you can threaten them like you're going to throw a stone at them and they'll run away. But that's only most of the time, that's not all of the time. These 4 seem to be okay so far. They've had a good look. Perhaps it's too early in the morning for them. Good. So they still have some COVID restrictions. In crowded situations, you're still supposed to wear a mask. I'm obviously not wearing one this morning, far from crowded out here. They have a 9 PM curfew. All the businesses close down at 9 PM and everybody's supposed to go home. But they also have some travel restrictions still in place. So whilst those COVID restrictions remain, I'm obviously restricted on where I can ride Trini as well. And that's going to be in this sort of small region where I am now, around one or two of the local villages, which also means that I'm restricted topic wise and things to talk about and things to show you. Doggo, salam. Dog's more scared of me than I am of it. Where was I? Yes, whilst I'm riding around in the same area all the time, that means I'm short on topics, things to show you and things to talk about. So if you have any ideas for things that you'd like me to talk about, be that about Morocco, or about me, or about Trini, then shout up in the comments below. And as long as I'm here and able to ride on the cooler mornings, then I'll do my best to fill you all in and answer any questions you've got. I don't know how this dirt road comes out on the camera, but it probably looks a heck of a lot smoother on the camera than what it actually is. I'm jiggering around all over the place. Mind you, it's the little jiggles I'm not really that bothered about. I'm more bothered about the giant potholes that you come across sometimes. Although this one doesn't seem to be too bad for the potholes. Salam. Oh, here we go with the dog. What are going to happen here? Let's have a look, see. I think he's given up already. That's the first one that's barked at me this morning. Because my biggest problem coming out at this time of the morning, when it's still relatively cool, is that I have to come out before breakfast. I haven't even had a coffee this morning yet. Nothing has passed my lips. Oh well, we'll be back soon. See? Dogs just sneak up on you. Didn't see him at all, he was laying the other side of that wall. I think I probably scared him as much as he scared me. Now I know there's at least 3 dogs at this farm coming up here. But they didn't jump up when I came past earlier, so hopefully they won't jump up again now. Little donkey. Here he comes. Vicious looking one, that, isn't he? Now we got 3. I think one of them's chained up. Get out! Dogs. Real nuisance round here. Right, that's about it from me now. That's my in-laws' place. I'm done for this morning. The sun's just about to start coming out. As I said at the beginning, just a short one just to update you where I am and where the next video is on Kent. And hopefully I'll bring you another few videos from Morocco before I go home. But for now, that's it. Ta-da!